2025, the automotive world witnessed a jaw-dropping comeback that no one saw coming, the revival of the Caterpillar pickup truck. Once a conceptual anomaly, it has returned as a brutalist masterpiece that fuses industrial strength with unapologetic style. At first glance, it looks more like a mobile construction beast than a pickup truck. The oversized, tank-like body is forged from reinforced alloys, with massive fender flares and raw, exposed bolts that scream functionality over finesse. The front grille is a towering wall of steel mesh, emblazoned with the iconic cat logo like a badge of authority. It's a rolling fortress, intimidating, purposeful, and built to dominate both off-road terrains and urban concrete jungles. Step inside, and it's a whole new frontier. Despite its militaristic shell, the interior of the 2025 Caterpillar pickup surprises with its ultra-modern cockpit design. The seats are wrapped in rugged leather stitched with yellow piping, mirroring the Caterpillar brand's legacy color. Digital instrument clusters, touchscreen interfaces, and hydraulic-inspired control toggles give the cabin a sense of power and precision. It's not just a truck, it's a command center on wheels. Under the hood lies a hybrid diesel beast, generating enough torque to haul a small mountain, while staying conscious of new emission norms. Whether you're towing a fleet or cruising through apocalyptic ruins, the Caterpillar pickup is back to do one thing: make everything else look small. In 2025, the Caterpillar pickup doesn't just return, it arrives as a statement of defiance in a market dominated by sleek electric crossovers and soft-edged luxury trucks. Its profile is unapologetically square, with sharp angles and towering height that dwarf anything parked beside it. The tires are ultra-thick, industrial-grade monsters with deep grooves and matte black finish, built to plow through mud, gravel, or even collapsed terrain. The headlights resemble construction floodlights, blasting a beam so intense it could light up a quarry. Even the doors open with a hiss of hydraulics, like a heavy machine preparing for a task. Every element of the design channels the DNA of Caterpillar's workhorse legacy, but now reinterpreted for a new kind of battlefield. The modern road. Look closer at the bed of the truck and you'll see why this machine isn't just for show. The loading area is constructed from high-density steel plating, equipped with hydraulic lifting panels and modular locking systems, perfect for mounting tools, weaponry, or equipment racks. There's even an integrated backup generator hidden underneath the rear floor, a nod to its industrial roots. Along the side walls, rugged toolboxes are welded in, giving it the feel of a mobile worksite. And just above the tailgate, a digital command screen provides real-time diagnostics, power levels, and terrain analytics, making it more than just transport. It's a mobile operations hub for extreme conditions. But the most astonishing part of the 2025 Caterpillar pickup is how it bridges the gap between old-school muscle and futuristic tech. It includes self-leveling suspension, terrain-adaptive AI drive modes, and even drone deployment modules for surveying off-road routes or construction zones.